Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about the third topic of the App Engine Studio. I will show you how we can create new catalog item in this app in your new apps through App Engine Studio. So I already created two other videos on this App Engine Studio where I showed you how you can create new apps and also how we can create a new custom table inside your app. So now this is in this video I'm going to show you that how we can create the catalog item. So I created one catalog item, that is employee onboarding, and now I am going to tag this catalog item to the service catalog as well as two categories. So as you can see that I am selecting service catalog as the location, and I am also selecting category as services, and I am also going to select another category, security and access. So this catalog item is going to be displayed in service catalog but in two categories. One is security and access and another is services. So now I will show you how we can create few variables on this service catalog form. So my first variable is a reference type variable, and this variable is pointing to the sysuser table. The name of the variable is name of the new hire, and I will also put one simple reference qualifier that active is true for the sysuser table so that it can only point to the active records in this table. And you can also set the annotation, that is the new hire which I am setting, so that when user will hover over, they can see this instruction. So now my second variable. My second variable is a choice type of variable. It is pointing to the custom table which I created in my second video. I showed you that I created one employee type table. So the name of the variable is employee type, and that is pointing to that particular custom table. So it is basically picking up all the choices which I created in this custom table, since I am not setting any reference qualifier here. So now I am creating the third variable. Third variable is a date time variable. That's the start date. That's the name of this variable. And my fourth variable is also a date time variable, that is end date. So now I am done creating the fourth variable, that's the end date, you can see on the screen. I am going to create the fifth variable. Fifth variable is yes no variable. And the question for that particular variable is, does the new hire require laptop? And in the choices I'm including none, so that none will be appeared as the first choice in this drop down. And my last variable is also an yes no variable. yes no variable, and the question for that variable is, does the new hire require mobile phone? So as you can see, I have created these 6 variables. So now what I need to do, I need to make these variables mandatory. This is also very easy. As you can see that define behavior I have to select, and there I have to select that make the variable mandatory true. And here if you want to apply this UI policy at the request level, RITM level, and the task level, that also you need to define. But for the end date, I am putting one extra condition, that is the dynamic behavior condition, that end date should be applicable only the employee type is one of these 3. So end date will not be applicable for any full-time employees. It will only be applicable for the contractors. That's why I'm putting this extra condition. So now this is ready to be displayed on the portal, that catalog item. So you can see this form with all the variables and wherever we made it mandatory. So if I select this contingent worker, that's the employee type, end date will be appeared on the form, otherwise not. So that is the full catalog item that I have created through this App Engine Studio inside my newly created app. And that is it in this video.